The Insta360 X4 is truly a game changer in the world of 360-degree action cameras. Let's dive right into its design and build quality. The X4 sports a sleek, compact form factor that feels incredibly sturdy in your hands. It's designed for adventure, with a rugged exterior that can withstand the elements, making it perfect for outdoor enthusiasts. The buttons are intuitively placed, allowing for easy access even when you're on the move. Now let's talk about the camera features. The X4 boasts dual half-inch sensors that deliver stunning 5.7K video resolution. This means you get crisp, clear footage that captures every detail of your adventures. The low-light performance is impressive as well, allowing you to shoot in dim conditions without sacrificing quality. Plus, the camera supports HDR video, which enhances dynamic range, ensuring that both bright and dark areas are well exposed. When it comes to photo capabilities, the Insta360 X4 doesn't disappoint. It can capture 72-megapixel still images, which is remarkable for a 360-degree camera. The stitching technology is seamless, resulting in immersive photos that make you feel like you're right back in the moment. The camera also offers various shooting modes, including time-lapse and bullet time, adding creative flair to your content. Now let's shift gears to the software. The Insta360 app is user-friendly and packed with features. You can easily edit your footage right on your smartphone, with options to add music, filters, and even text overlays. The app also includes AI editing tools that can automatically create highlight reels, saving you time while still delivering professional-looking results. Plus, the live streaming feature allows you to share your adventures in real time, which is a fantastic way to engage with your audience. Ease of use is another standout aspect of the X4. The camera has a straightforward interface, making it accessible for both beginners and seasoned pros. You can control it via the touchscreen or through the app, giving you flexibility depending on your shooting style. The battery life is decent, allowing for extended shooting sessions, and the quick charge feature means you won't be waiting around for long. In summary, the Insta360 X4 is a robust and versatile action camera that excels in design, video, and photo capabilities and user experience. Whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes, thrilling sports, or unforgettable moments with friends, the X4 is equipped to handle it all. If you're in the market for a 360-degree camera that combines quality with ease of use, the Insta360 X4 deserves a top spot on your list.
The Insta360 X4 is a game changer for anyone serious about capturing immersive content. Let's dive into some of its advanced features that really set it apart. First up is flow state stabilization. This technology is a lifesaver for those of us who love action shots. It smooths out the bumps and shakes, making your footage look like it was shot on a gimbal. Whether you're skiing down a mountain or biking through a forest, you can trust that your video will come out steady and professional. Next, let's talk about the AI-powered editing tools. This feature is like having a personal editor at your fingertips. The AI can analyze your footage and automatically create highlight reels, picking out the best moments for you. It saves so much time, especially when you're dealing with hours of footage. You can also use the Smart Cut feature to trim your clips intelligently, ensuring that you keep the most engaging parts. Now, if you're looking to add some flair to your videos, bullet time mode is a must-try. This feature allows you to capture 360-degree slow-motion shots that really wow your audience. Just swing the camera around you, and the X4 will create a stunning effect that makes it look like you're defying gravity. It's perfect for those dramatic moments that need a little extra punch. Time shift and time-lapse are fantastic for storytelling. Time shift lets you control the speed of your footage, allowing you to highlight specific moments while speeding up others. It's great for showing a journey or process in a dynamic way. Time-lapse, on the other hand, condenses time beautifully, making it ideal for capturing sunsets, cityscapes, or any scene where you want to showcase the passage of time. Live streaming capabilities are another standout feature. The X4 allows you to stream directly to platforms like Facebook and YouTube in 360 degrees. This opens up a whole new level of engagement with your audience. Imagine sharing your adventures live, letting viewers experience it as if they were right there with you. Editing tips? Always start with a clear vision of your story. Use the templates available in the app to give your videos a polished look. Don't forget to experiment with transitions and effects, but keep it balanced. Too many can distract from your main content. When comparing the X4 with competitors, it's clear that Insta360 has raised the bar. Many other cameras struggle with stabilization or lack the intuitive editing tools that the X4 offers. The quality of the 360-degree footage is also top-notch, making it a favorite among content creators. Real-world usage scenarios are endless. From travel vlogs to extreme sports, the X4 adapts to any situation. Users have shared incredible experiences, capturing everything from underwater adventures to bustling city streets. The feedback is overwhelmingly positive, with many praising its ease of use and versatility. However, like any tech, there can be hiccups. Common issues include connectivity problems with the app or battery life during extended shoots. A good tip is to keep your firmware updated and to carry a spare battery for those long days of filming. As for future updates, Insta360 is known for listening to its users. They regularly roll out improvements and new features based on feedback, ensuring that the X4 stays relevant and continues to evolve. The Insta360 X4 is not just a camera, it's a powerful tool for storytelling. With its advanced features, you can elevate your content and share your experiences in ways that resonate with your audience. So, get out there and start capturing your world in 360 degrees.